Do you think we should get the funding from the Cardinal Engineering firm or go with the funding from the Kickstarter?
I think we should. Hello,
Hello?
Poojitha. Can you hear
Poojitha, can
us?
you hear us?
Hello, can you guys hear me? Have you ever been in the middle of something important and then this happens? Sure, this time it was harmless. But what if you were dealing with something life-threatening? What if you were in the middle of a surgery and the lights went off? I've experienced this issue throughout my entire life, dealing with hurricanes and flash floods in Florida and landslides and monsoons in India. Those moments were detrimental, and I'm not alone. There are over 700 million people struggling with unreliable energy every day. Our communities aren't just looking for a power source. They're seeking a lifeline, something efficient, affordable, and reliable to ensure that uninterrupted power when it matters most. Let's dive deeper into the issue in India.
Hi, my name is Advik Aditya and I'm in India with a local. So what are some personal experiences you have with power outages in your area?
Power outages in my area happens frequently. We experience such discomfort every month. And this happens not only in my area but in my neighboring areas also.
Millions of people just like him face problems with energy poverty. But what's the solution?
The answer is SkyVolt. Our design is inspired by the movement of a nuclear reactor, and we used a similar design to preserve the aluminum when the generator is not in use. To show you how it works, let me give you guys a closer look. The U-shaped carbon brush is porous and it absorbs air, transporting it to the electrolyte layer. When the generator is turned on, the aluminum undergoes an oxidation reduction reaction with the air. The electrolyte, which is an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, acts as a facilitator for the reaction. In other words, aluminum reacts with air, form recyclable aluminum hydroxide, and electricity. Let me show you guys how to use SkyVolt. So currently, the aluminum is in the oil layer, which acts as the protectant. When you want to turn SkyVolt on, you push the tray along with the aluminum into the electrolyte layer. Once you push it down, it should look like this. Now that the reaction has started, you should start receiving a steady flow of electricity. In order to turn it off, you simply push it back into the oil layer, and since the oil repels the water-based electrolyte, there will be no electrolyte left on the aluminum, which will prevent further degradation when the generator is not in use. To make our design a reality, we have been trying to patent our design, work with companies to see what experts think of our design. We have been also constructing a prototype using 3D printing technology. Now, I'm going to let Pranava tell you about the business plan.
Before introducing SkyVolt to the market, we first need to test it out. We will do this by deploying prototypes to Bihar, India, a specific target segment known for its energy poverty. Once we do this and we've tested out the product, then we will implement our GTM strategy. The first step is to expand this product to as many large NGOs as possible, such as Power for All and the SMB. Then through their distribution channels, we will take this product to as many people as possible. By 2027, our goal is to supply power to 5 million people around the globe, and I believe we can do this with SkyVolt's unique approach. SkyVolt has the potential to disrupt the market, and we have the determination to make that happen. What about you?
Oh, it looks like the energy generator is working. So after hearing all that, don't you want to save lives and the environment at the same time? Sounds like a win-win to me. Invest in a lifeline. Invest in SkyVolt. Hello, Poojitha, can you hear me? It looks like I gotta go.